Hi everyone, my name is Richard Kyle, and I'll be your host for AXN's Ultimate Challenge Indonesia. On your marks, get set, go! I'm half Indonesian, half British. I've been living in Indonesia for almost a decade, based in Jakarta, but also now in Bali. There are so many activities you can do in Indonesia, but some of the activities that I love are surfing, flyboarding, cycling, running, and of course, exploring. There's gonna be some water, land, and air activities, and major challenges for them that are gonna take them right out of their comfort zone. Team Afgan, Team Isyana, all I'm gonna say is get ready for a wild ride, and of course, let the best team win.
AXN Ultimate Challenge Indonesia, world premiere November 25th, an AXN production.